Alright guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn on how to enable and disable automatic updates on Windows 8, which of course I'm using, and then Windows 10 as well. The same process. To begin, you press this is the first step, so you're going to press the start button on the keyboard plus R to take you to this place, and then type this services.msc and hit the enter key. Okay, so to bring you here, so what we'll be looking for is Windows update. So let's make it quick. Press the W key, Windows update. Okay, so this is Windows update. Right click on and then select properties, and over here, see, I've already disabled it because it was downloading some stuff I was not interested in. Automatic updates, sometimes 10 gigabytes, 5 gigabytes, and so on. And then so I disabled it. So in order to enable it, you can select the manual, which you can install the updates as when you like, or you can put it on automatic. So as long as a new Windows is available, the system will just download it with or without your knowledge. So because it's automatic, so as soon as a new update is available, it will just download it. They can put it on manual, which I just explained. You can install the update when you like, and then you can put it on disabled. So that's it. So I'll just put it on disabled and then click on OK. And then the second step is the second method is go to my computer, then right click and select properties, then over here select Windows update, then I'm going to select change settings. Okay, so I disabled it in the services.msc, so it will reflect here. So in order to update it, or if you like to install the update, it's said install update automatically recommended. Then you have download Windows update, but let me choose whether to install them. That one is the manual. Okay, so it said check for update, but let me choose whether to download and install them. It said never check for update recommended, so I'll put it here. If you like, if you want to update, or you want the system to update install the update automatically, you can just put it on here. Then the system will install the update once they are out. The same thing applies to Windows 10. So that's it. That's how to enable and disable automatic Windows update in Windows 10 and of course Windows 8. So I just put it here and then click on OK. Okay, so we are done. Thank you guys for sticking around. This is how to enable and disable automatic Windows update in Windows 8 and of course in Windows 10. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.